Hey, I'm Brooke from Morpher. If you clicked on this video, you are obviously interested in learning a bit more about crypto. Maybe you are new to crypto and feeling lost in the industry jargon. In any case, in this video, I'll be sharing 5 important terms that will give you the confidence in navigating the crypto world. Blockchain. It seems like everybody is talking about blockchain, but what is it actually? Blockchain is, like the name suggests, a chain of blocks of verified information that is almost impossible to tamper with. The blockchain functions as a digital ledger that allows for the transfer of cryptocurrencies without the need for a central authority. It's the record-keeping technology behind cryptocurrencies and other decentralized applications. It's worth mentioning what a cryptocurrency even is. Cryptocurrency is a digital currency in which transactions are made using cryptography and recorded and verified onto the blockchain. The first cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, was designed to give people the freedom to trade directly with each other without the need for a central authority. Altcoins are alternatives to Bitcoin, hence the name. Some of the more popular altcoins include Ethereum Ether, Ripple XRP, Cardano ADA, Solana Sol, and so on. Decentralized finance is a collective term in which financial services and applications are available to anybody with access to the internet. In DeFi, there is no central authority. Instead, transactions are recorded onto the blockchain and maintained by an entire ecosystem of users and smart contracts. This creates a trustless and transparent environment because you don't have to rely on a third party. You're also not required to submit any personal information about yourself. You are completely anonymous in DeFi. A smart contract is a self-executing program stored onto a blockchain. The smart contracts are run by an algorithm with specific encoded parameters that, when met, execute an agreement. Smart contracts ensure trusted transactions between anonymous parties, all without the involvement of a central authority. Ethereum is currently the most popular blockchain for running smart contracts. Hopefully you've learned a thing or two about crypto terminology. If you like seeing videos like this, make sure you subscribe to the Morpher channel where you can get more crypto news, crypto tutorials, and other company updates. Thanks for watching.